The Noon Report starts now. In 3 months, the Lewis and Clark Riverboat hopes to launch with its first group of passengers. However, the site of the old Merryweathers building is in need of repair. As Joel Porter explains, city commissioners hope to fast-track those repairs to get one of Bismarck's icons running on time.
Large sheets of ice slowly and silently float down the Missouri River. Not exactly a day for a pleasure cruise. But owners of the Lewis and Clark Riverboat need no reminder of how fast a landscape on the Missouri can change.
And it came at the worst possible time. We were ready to open the season. So we'd made our expenditures, we'd bought our advertising, we'd done the things that you do to get ready, and there it was, the season was over.
Last summer's flooding meant a season with no riverboat rides. A building flooded, which would later be condemned.
But the building also housed all of the utilities that came down to the boat, our electrical, our sewer, our water, and all of that is no longer operational. So we're looking to try to get all of that restored.
The foundation plans to kick in $40,000 to fix 6 mooring posts and repair water and electricity. They're asking for help from the landowner, the city of Bismarck, for the rest.
If they were a home and things were to happen, we would be expected to at least put it into a state of repair to it be operable.
Shannon Dorr says fortunately, after being stored all fall and winter, the riverboat itself is just fine. He says it's ready to go.
Back still has some of the linens and the centerpieces on the table from when we took it off the river last summer. So we're doing good. We're ready to go.
Commissioners unanimously supported repairing the collapsed concrete before May. What remains unknown is the cost. The city hopes to hash out that number before the next meeting. In Bismarck, Joel Porter, NBC North Dakota News.
The riverboat typically offers around 15 tours a week to passengers. Shannon Dorr says they hope to have everything ready by Memorial Day weekend.